Hello friends, are you also shooting from home and looking for a mic? Then look no further, as today I'm going to present to you Boya BYM1 Omnidirectional Lavalier Condenser Microphone with 20 feet cable in black color. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before unboxing, let's take a look at the box for some features mentioned. It comes with a clip-on mic, omnidirectional high condenser microphone, low handling noise, time to unbox. It includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen and 1/4 inch adapter. Now let's see the main product. This compact Boya BYM1 is an omnidirectional microphone perfect for videos. It is designed for smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. This microphone features an omni pickup pattern for full 360-degree coverage. Frequency ranges between 65 Hz to 18 kHz. And the audio cable is about 20 feet. It gives you the possibility to capture anything in your sight. It has super sound for presentations and video audio recorders. It is very easy to use. Just plug the aux cable in the aux port of your device and start speaking. There is no hassle to clip the microphone. Just clip it on your outfit and start recording. This omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone is small in size and light in weight. One can easily carry it anywhere in pockets. Using the microphone for smartphones, switch off the microphone. Slide the on-off up to off. The power is shut down. Using the microphone for DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc., switch on the microphone. Slide the on-off up to on. For use with the lavalier microphone on action cameras, you will require a TRRS or TRS adapter. Then only it will work. It comes with a 1-year warranty and a user manual for instructions. This compact microphone is all you need for your video or audio shoots with better quality sound. So what are you waiting for? Go get it now.